Yeah, doing good. Hopefully no more setbacks. That's all we're wishing and hoping, but progress is okay.
Same din sa akin, yung progress. Natas lang namin yung process talaga. Kasi like, hindi namin pwedeng madali.
Pero may specific time na yun ba? May parang target kayo na makakailangan by that time, pwede na kayo sumala.
Ano po, parang as of now, hindi po kami nagbibigay ng target date.
Kasi it's hard to expect na we give a date and then biglang may mangyari and then we can't play. So, surprise na lang.
Sa bago nating format na kumbaga gaano kalaking bagay din for you guys para mas matake nyo yung time and if ever makabalik kayo, hindi rin ganun ka rush time.
Mas maganda siya, like 6 months yun natin. 5 months. Mas maganda siya, especially sa amin, like, makakahabol din talaga kami this season. So yeah, hindi rin naman kami niraran.
Yeah, that's what's good, right? And not even for us, for all the players, since the games aren't dikit-dikit.
Ito naman si dikit-dikit.
Aren't close, the games aren't close to each other, so it's better for the recovery of the other players also. Yeah, because the games before were like, you would have Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday, so every other day, so it's really hard to recover with that schedule, but now that it's longer, it's better for everyone.
Parang update na sa progress. Medyo pagka-training ba nakakabola na kayo? Ano bang ginagawa niyo sa training? Nakaka-workout na ba kayo?
Yes, bola. Nakakasabay-sabay din naman sa bola. Pero hindi siya like na pwedeng biglain eh. So ano lang kami, like take it easy lang talaga.
Yeah. I guess not the same intensity as the players who are playing right now, but doing core training.
For the time that you've been away, how have you been keeping yourselves in good spirits for a few months na rin that you haven't played it for
A year already. It's been a year. How about you? More than a year. Me, more than a year.
Ako, 9 months.
Yeah, I mean, it happens. So what can we do? You can't dwell on it, you can't sulk because then you can't push yourself to get to play. So, I mean, there are times that it's hard. May mga times na you want to give up, but
sometimes I miss namin yung volleyball talaga.
And the reason that we keep pushing every day is that we want to play again. And sayang naman yung progress is we just give up.
Both of you guys have been playing for new teams pareho. So, how does that feel lang watching them play and compete habang kayo na sideline ng injury?
Of course, gusto namin tulungan yung team namin as much as possible. Pero ayun nga, ang may help lang namin is yun nga, nasa side lang din kami, like giving them yun, kung anong makakatulong na pwede namin sabihin sa kanila.
It's kind of exciting also because I have been playing with people I've been familiar with. Like sila Janina, yung mga FP teammates. So it's a new scene to be playing with others. So I'm really excited also to play with sila Sammy, sila Kat, at yung mga hindi ko pa nakakatouch.
You have athletes as partners din in real life, so how helpful ang din sa inyo yun to have someone who I guess understands what's going on personal and professional?
I mean, for me, yeah, he's one of the persons na nagpo-push talaga sa akin na kaya ko, I can do stuff that I feel like I can't do. So it's really good that he understands what I'm going through also because, I mean, siya rin na-injured, so it's like we're helping each other get back. Yeah.
I-expect mo na makita with them?
I mean, watching our training naman, I see the intensity and like we've been winning, so I hope it continues. And they just have to be consistent throughout the season to get to the top. So I'm always excited to watch her.
Ralph na lang din house. How's he been helping you?
Kay Ralph naman, lagi naman niya ako nire-remind na tuloy lang. Like, same na sinabi ni Ate Kiana kanina na parang sayang nga yung progress. Parang hinto pa kami. Eh, ayun na, malapit na rin eh. Like, ang sinasabi lang din ni Ralph palagi na babalik ka din sa dati. Nakilig din. Hindi, babalik ka din sa dati or baka mas okay pa. So, mas isipin mo na lang yung sa? Kasi, hindi, yun na. Pinupush naman si Mig dati ka na. Yung pinupush naman nila kami palagi na mas mag-improve pa talaga.
Siguro last question na lang. May naipon bang gigil for the both of you na bumalik sa hardcore?
Of course. This is the longest I've been out, and you know, I'm very excited to spike my first game ball and help my team win.
Same sa akin, like never pa ako na-injure ng ganito katagal, like nag-stop ng ganito katagal sa volleyball. Like, kahit nung nasa Lasal yun, wala din talaga ako naging injury. Hindi ako nag-miss out ng trainings, especially ng games. So nakapanibago yung ganito, pero at the same time, nakaka-excite na bumalik.
Thank you.
Thank you po.